let me show you how to install back the USB port cover door on any of the DJI Osmo action cameras. So first, if you want to remove it, you simply grab it and with quite a bit of force you simply pull it away from the camera. So it's definitely not easy, but see, it comes off. Then we want to inspect how the camera looks like. So if you look up close, I see you have this metal pin here. So this is where the cover door simply attaches back on, and where we are going to need to attach it back on. So as you see, and this is what the mechanism looks here. So the pin simply goes inside here, and you can simply push it back on. So through this opening here. So see, you have opening here. But however, putting it back on is very hard. So I often struggle and I have to try like 3 or 4 times just to get back on. Also, for you to be able to do that, you have to pull out this like red part. So I see you can push it in, but it has to be out. So on some cameras, you can either simply pull it out like this by simply grabbing this thing, or also on some cameras, to get it to come out, you also simply have to press in the button in the way you open your camera. So for example, on the Action 6, we had to basically like pull in that weird way. So yeah, wherever, basically in a way how you open a door. So yeah, I see I'm simply, popping it out, and then in around this angle, I would say, you simply push it on with, again, quite a bit of force. So again, it's very, very hard, in my opinion, to get it back on. It's hard to remove and even harder to get it back on. So we simply first align that tiny hole in that cover to that metal pin. So maybe like this. And then I suggest also kind of hold and grab on this red piece, otherwise it's going to go back in. And then I see it simply pushes on. This time actually it's quite easy, but sometimes again I literally have to try like 3 or 4 times just to get it to snap on. So again, definitely it's not very easy to both remove it and also to put it back on these cameras. I wish it was easier. So yeah, kind of hard in my opinion. Okay, good luck.